Have you ever thought that maybe no matter who you marry, at some point you're going to question it? Here's something most people don't talk about. You're not unhappy because you chose the wrong person. You're unhappy because no one, and I mean no one, is perfect. The man with money might have no time. The man with time might have no money. The one who's romantic might feel too smooth to trust. The one who's loyal might seem a little boring. The charming one? He might charm everyone. The honest one? You'll wish he was a little more spontaneous. No matter who you pick, there's a trade-off. That's not cynicism, it's reality. Marriage isn't about finding the perfect person. It's about two people being willing to stay when it's messy, confusing, boring, or hard. Happy marriages aren't lucky. They're built. And yes, there will be moments where you'll look at your partner and wonder, is this it? That doesn't mean it's wrong. That means you're human. The biggest lie you've been told is that real love should always feel magical. The truth? Sometimes love looks like doing dishes while your partner decompresses. It looks like sharing silence when you don't have the words. It looks like picking up groceries when you're tired or giving space without taking it personally. So if you're waiting for a relationship that feels perfect, you'll wait forever. But if you're ready to build a partnership that's real, flawed but solid, you might just find the kind of love that actually lasts.